Red button on.
Get my face. Shit. Let's see. Dirt. I can't hit it like that, can I?
You have to wait a little bit. You can go fast, you just can't punch on it because it's got new brakes and stuff inside.
Motherfucker moving. I just don't want to punch him.
Yeah, wait about to drive a little bit, see if the main stuff broke in.
Yeah. Yeah, that check engine light and that tapping just got
I'll fix it. Don't worry about it. I got you, Monday. It's probably like a cent or something.
This ain't no U-turns?
Look, man, you turn all day long, this motherfucker.
I ain't gonna make it. A little bit. Let's see.
Oh, I roll on chrome. I roll it on chrome. 28 stuck and looking good in my phone. Oh, I roll on chrome. I'm rolling on chrome. Sliding while I'm gliding, trying to get used to my phone. Oh, I roll on chrome.
Damn, green team. Baby finna go to the shop. It's a whole bunch of motherfucking money, man. But somebody gotta do the gun. It'll be alright, man. You need that key in there?
No, it's in the truck.
Ah, yeah. That's to my other car. I need the key.
I'm gonna get it flat and pull it forward a little bit.
Bet. Get that thing rebuilt, man. I hope spending this shit is not gonna be in vain, bro. Truly bullshit. I brought it to you. Probably incline. Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
What is that bill?
Yeah, I know. Man, I'm tired of spending money on this car, bro. Like, for real, I'm dead serious, bro. This is the last thing I want to do, but it's overly pretty, man. And the motor.
I don't like motor.
And I'm finna get that done as soon as we come out of here again. Same color.
You leave right there. We'll take care of it. We'll leave after a while.
Man, tell these people who you is, man.
I'm saying.
You say it?
A1 Auto Parts.
All right, this the man with the plan, man. Hopefully take care of my baby.
I will. I'll take care of it.
right here. The bottom block, that's green. This block is pink. These two pink and black.
Black.
Yeah.
So you want the block pink, green. The block green.
Yeah.
The head's pink.
Yeah.
Black.
Yeah.
Okay.
And these two
Green. Black. Pink.
Yeah.
The head?
The head's pink or black?
That's pink.
Pink.
This right here is
Green.
the block, right?
Yeah. But see
So
right here,
that's
right, this is the block, this is the heads.
Alright. Yeah. This pink.
Pink.
This black.
Okay.
This green.
Green.
Yeah.
Okay. You got it. Trying to switch sure wheel to get the paint because we couldn't find the world with sure wheel.
So what was all
What
changed?
about the oil pan?
Oil pan. God damn. Let's go back black.
Black.
Cause you can barely see the oil pan when it get in there.
Most people want paint, you know.
Yeah, just back black.
Black.
But you can barely see that motherfucker, so
Yeah, so about
just make it back to stock black.
Alright.
So what was initially changed besides
All of them on the inside. Pistons, marks, main rounders, heads,
Alright.
new valves, everything. New timing chain belt. I mean, it's a gear. It's a chain on this.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you see?
Cause it's only one chain that loose around here.
Oh, you see? I have problem finding the gears and shit. Bro.
Yeah. Nah, I know.
Yeah.
I know about ends. I'm just trying to see what was done over. There ain't nothing wrong with that, man. Hell.
You doing right? But we was waiting on the paint.
So this right here is the what?
Crank.
Crankshaft. Was that changed or no?
Now we had to turn to the machine shop.
Ah, okay. So you got the block board over.
All over. Everything's straight.
So what
all
you
the
think
board.
about this carburetor? You think this motherfucker straight or what?
Thought about it. I won't worry about that, dog. Just thought about it. It should be good. We found I couldn't tell you to put it back on the vehicle. But Father, looking at it, looks clean, looks good. So the car came in running good, so it's gonna run good still.
Yeah. It just was
Smoky and shit. They have no power.
and then less on power. I hope these motherfuckers ain't going back in there. Yeah, man, cause that shit's some bullshit. And it's product. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta stay tuned.
I can make you focus with no hocus pocus. Got your girl stupid, come my ace, tucking like a bowstring. Look at my feet, look at my kit, bitch, I'm out.